Ito rin ang ating programa Kabarangay, kahit Christmas special, pwede po kayo makalusot. 924-3093-927-8862. Dumadami ang mga text messages, aking kinukwenta binibilang, nais pa magpadala, okay lang. I-type mo lamang radio space, greet LSFM space mga mensahe, at isend sa 2311 sa Globe PM at San 350 sa Smart at Talking Text. Sa touchline, sabi nung isa, paborito ko po ang bugtong moments nyo, Tarun, Shabel. Sabi naman ng isa, buti na lang pinay niyo po ang seminar sa barangay kasi hindi niyo na ginagawa ngayon. That's funny, kahit asawa ko, sira ang ulo doon. Ayan. Siguro naka-attend na sila ng mga seminar sa barangay. Malamang. Papa Kiko at Papa Bel, hindi ko makakalimutan yung tattoo session. Ang tagal na ako nakikinig. Hindi pa yung move on. Badminton pa nga at ganyan. Poker face ang tawag nyo. Merry Christmas, sabi ng isang texter. Pero marami dito nagte-text, si The Englishman in Temple, Jeffrey. Naalala mo ba si Jeffrey? The English Nosebleed na. Kaya naman nauso ang Talk to Papa Nosebleed dahil sa caller natin, si Jeffrey from the Temple. Siya po ay isang lalaking nag-aababantay, nag-aalaga ng mga Buddha. Nag-aasa sa pong templo rito sa Manila. Okay, kaya ang kanyang trabaho caretaker ng temple. Kaya tinawag namin siyang The Englishman in Temple. Ito po si Jeffrey mga kabarangay. Sana maalala niyo po. Ito po ang Talk to Papa Pasko. Dito lang sa barangay LS 97.1. Ayos yun. So, sa mga kabarangay, kapiling pa inahagan si the nosebleed guy, Jeffrey. Yes? Thank you. Thank you for waiting, okay? I hear that there is a salada in the boat. No, it's just a joke. It's a personal joke. I have this personal joke. Yes, because I have this guy, Tony is the one who make our coffee every day. Because every day, every time we are in our program, we drink coffee. Because this is our habit, daily habit. Coffee is still best for babies until 26 years old. Yeah. What? Many caffeine. Yes, that's okay. Not cocaine. Okay? Okay?
No, I'm the secondary, Papa Bel.
You're the primary caller.
No, you're the primary.
We're the primary suspect. Yes.
Ito kasi ako. I need Papa Bear.
Yes, Papa Bear. Okay. Okay, fine. Papa Bear lang. Go. You also call to Papa Kiko. No, Papa. Jeffrey and I...
Papa Bear and Papa Kiko.
Okay, you talk na. Go talk to Papa. Go ahead, Miss... What's your name, by the way?
Auntie.
Shantissima. Go ahead. Sige.
Alam ba yun? Ito po kasi yung vlog ko. Kasi po, yung boyfriend ko, kasi lahat po yung naging kami po, positive thinking po siya, lahat po nasa kanya. Kasi, kumbaga nag-break kami, naging negative po siya. Tapos, kumbaga lahat yung sinasabi niya, hindi naman katotohanan sa mga barkada niya. Nag-open siya, nagkukwento po siya yung mga about ginawa namin, pero wala naman pong gano'n talaga. Nasasaktan ako kasi hindi po totoo yun, na yung mga pinagsasabi niya po. Hello, are you there?
Yes. Ano bang mga pinagsasabi?
Like, yung pipitik po.
Oh my God! He's an alien! Teacher, like that?
Yung AF, alam niyo na po yun.
He is an F and tell.
Yung, alam niyo na po yun.
He's and tell guy.
Oh, and then, another 3 words.
Another 3 words. What are the 3 words?
Heart of letter S, and then end of letter X.
That's not word, letters. Okay.
I hate you, Mariah.
Now, what's the problem?
Yun na po. Nagkakalit na po.
Pinagkakalat dahil may nangyari sa inyo.
Opo.
May tarantado sa inyo. Tapakin mo nga na matauhan, ha?
Ano yun po, innocent po ako, nakakaasar po siya.
Pero sa totoo walang nangyari sa inyo.
Oh, proud to be, wala po talaga.
Proud to be.
Kahit lie detector test niyo pa po ako right
Sige,
now.
bakit naman pag-aaksayan ka namin ng panahon? Mahal-mahal mo. Oo, wala naman pala nangyari. Dapat hindi ka apektado. Alam mo, itong boyfriend mo, alam mo, makipag-break ka na dyan. Yes. Ito, pinaprangka ka namin, hindi kami namahal ng boyfriend mo. Wala naman nangyari, sasabihin na, meron?
siya po kasi, break na po kami.
Ex na pala eh.
Tapos po, yung boyfriend ko kasi ngayon, friend niya, tapos may kinukwento po siya tungkol sa akin na hindi naman, kumbaga po, sinisiraan niya po ako.
Ayun, ito na, para maging cute ang usapan, ano? Ang mangyayari, ganito, hindi lahat ng sinasabi ng tao, papakinggan mo. Kasi pinapakinggan mo lahat eh. Maluloka ka lang. Okay? Eh, hindi naman totoo, hayaan mo na sila. Hindi lahat ng sinasabi ng kapwa, papakinggan mo. Ayan. Okay? Jeffrey, did you understand? Yes, we speak Tagalog, so how about you? What say Jeffrey, yes. Did you understand the problem? I understand a little. It was a boyfriend, an ex. Good, that is the making stories. The making of stories. Please, right? Okay. So, ano advise you? Oh, I advise that do not see that guy anymore.
Yeah, but
What is coming to you?
love it.
Hindi pala masabi. I love it! Tuloy ba sasabihin mo?
Papakigay, naaway niyo naman.
No! We're not fighting you. We're not fighting you. Look. Jeffrey is very continuous guy. You speak continuously. You try then, huh? Yeah. You try. You complete the sentence, but what? I love it! There's a new one. What's that? I hate you! I love that, huh?
What a word.
What a word! What a word! Yes, Jeffrey, my man.
There are the times of joking and we have a time of
Serious.
blame. That's why we have to be serious.
Yes. And we are serious this time.
Not all the time.
Yeah, that's true. Talk to Papa, that's talk to Papa. Not all the time serious, not all the time laughing. Yes, we're not kidding here. We're serious sometimes because we know that you are waiting for our intelligent advice. Okay?
Not so intelligent, lightly.
Lightly, okay. Meg, May? Shanty, whatever. Sabi ni Jeffrey, wag mo lang daw pansinin. Huwag ka lang makipagkita, huwag mong pansinin. That's just making stories daw.
Papa Kiko, I need you now.
Yeah. No problem. I'll be at your side. Okay, don't worry.
That is a bad influence to you.
Yeah.
And if you are ignorant, you know that, you know already about that. Because
Yeah.
you know already in this world now, there are so many bad things, bad influence. That's why we need to be alert, especially be ready for what happen in the future.
Wow, imagine that. So what can you say about that? Not only wow, Shanti. Aside from wow, what can you say about aside from I love it? Yeah, and I hate it. Yeah.
Really thank you. Thank you for being
What?
such a good advice. I really appreciate it. Thank you.
Because of that, Shanti, I have again a new Papa Bear.
Yes.
To borrow again your
Magic wand.
big one.
Papa Bear, quote of the day.
Quote of the day.
Are you with me?
Quote of the day.
Are you with me?
This is the quote that's for you, Shanti. Coins always make sound, but paper money are always silent. So when your value increases, keep yourself silent and humble.
Wow. Are you with me?
Papa Bear, quote of the day.
Quote of the day.
Are you with me?
Quote of the day.
Are you with me?
Shanti, did you get my point?
I get it, Josh, by 100%.
And hopefully you will be apply what you hear.
Yeah, I really get it. Thank you very much.
You always say apply.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Sayonara.
Jeffrey, just speak English, no other language.
There are other foreigners here also here.
So, sabi ni Papa Kiko said, what you always saying apply. So,